너무 오랜만이다.
Whoops, sorry for my voice. I was just so excited to see them in our backyard walking their path again. Aren't they big? I may say the motion detectors for the garden are doing their job a little too well. Our forest friends have stopped coming by. I'm so happy they're back. I always thought they were ugly, but today they look beautiful. What do they remind you of? Come on, a Thanksgiving cactus? Watching them grow from tiny babies into young adults has been such a joy. Moments like this make me appreciate Mother Nature even more. How mysterious and wondrous she truly is. Sometimes plants and fruits resemble insects and animals, as if nature is quietly playing with our imagination. I love my garden, watching things grow, sharing for plants, and learning each season. But the garden isn't just about plants. It's also about sharing the space with wildlife.